What is up everyone? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to my channel Tectonic. My name is Raghav and today I'm going to be showing you how you can upgrade the RAM on your laptop. I'm going to be upgrading mine with an 8 GB card from Crucial on my Lenovo ThinkPad. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we proceed with the installation, there are a couple of prerequisites that you need to perform. Before you plan to buy the RAM, ensure that it is compatible with the motherboard of your laptop. And secondly, if you're planning to pair up your new RAM with the existing one, then ensure their specifications match. Okay, now I will show you how you can browse the RAMs that are compatible with your motherboard. Go to crucial.in and click on select computer. So find the model of your laptop. Mine is a Lenovo ThinkPad and it's a E series E460. Hit on find my computer. So my laptop supports maximum of up to 16 GB and it has two slots and a standard memory of 4 GB, which is a removable RAM. So below are all my compatible upgrades that I can select from. I got the Crucial 8 GB DDR3L. You can see it has a maximum of 1600 megahertz. Um, and make a note of this product code. It'll come in handy when you're buying it online. Okay, now I will show you how you can check the specification of the existing RAM on your laptop. I used a program called Specky. It's a free software that you can download off the internet. So as you can see, it shows the details of all the important hardware on your computer. So click on the RAM and you should be able to see the manufacturer and the model number. Copy this model number and do a quick Google search. You should be able to find the specification of that RAM.